The different types of tissue we have discussed until now are all made up of one type of cell which look like each other. Such tissues are called simple permanent tissue. Yet another type of permanent tissue is complex tissue. Okay, these complex tissue are made up of more than one type of cell. All these cells coordinate to perform a common function. Okay, xylem and phloem are the examples of such complex tissue. Okay, what do you mean by complex tissue? Complex tissue are made up of more than one type of cell and all these cells coordinate to perform a common function. ये सभी सेल जो है मिल के जो है एक कॉमन फंक्शन जो है प्ले करते हैं. ओके, so what are the examples of this complex tissue? The example of complex tissues are xylem and phloem. Okay, in my screen you will see xylem tissues and phloem tissue. They both are the conducting tissue and constitute a vascular bundle. Okay, first come to the xylem. Okay, the xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem and xylem fibers. Okay, what the xylem consists of? The xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, okay, xylem, which means xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. So the tracheids and vessels have thick walls and many cells are dead. Okay, when mature, the cells have thick cell walls and many of them are dead cells in tracheids. Okay, and these tracheids and vessels are tubular structure. जो tracheids and vessels होते हैं उनका structure कैसे होता है? They are tubular in structure or tube-like structure. Okay, which allows them to transport water and minerals vertically. The xylem tracheids and xylem vessels allow to transport waters and minerals vertically. Okay, and what the other things, the xylem parenchyma stores food and helps in the sideways conduction of water. parenchyma जो है क्या करता है? वो जो है फूड को स्टोर करता है और जो कंडक्शन ऑफ वाटर होता है उसमें जो है ये हेल्प करता है. ओके, xylem parenchyma. फाइबर्स के काम क्या होते हैं? द xylem fibers are mainly supportive in function. Okay, the fibers are mainly supportive in function. Okay, so what are the things we have discussed in xylem? Let's again recall all the things. Okay, first of all, the xylem is a complex tissue which is made up of xylem parenchyma, xylem vessels, okay, xylem fibers and tracheids. The tracheids have thick walls and many of them are dead cells. Second thing is the tracheids and vessels are tubular in structure, means these are tube-like structure. Okay, and this allows them to transport water and mineral vertically. जो भी transport of waters and minerals होता है वो vertically होता है. ठीक है, xylem parenchyma का फंक्शन क्या है? स्टोर्स फूड एंड हेल्प्स इन द साइडवेज कंडक्शन ऑफ वाटर. ये जो है फूड को स्टोर करता है और कंडक्शन ऑफ वाटर में जो है ये हेल्प करता है. फाइबर का काम क्या है? द फाइबर्स आर मेनली सपोर्टिव इन फंक्शन. ओके, व्हाट आर द फंक्शन ऑफ xylem fiber? The xylem fiber are mainly supportive in function. Next, another complex tissue is our phloem. Okay, this phloem is made up of 4 type of elements: sheath tissues, companion cells, phloem fibers and the phloem parenchyma. Okay, what are they? Sheath tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and the phloem parenchyma. So what is the function of sheath tubes? Sheath tubes are tubular cells with perforated walls. Okay, in my diagram you will see the sheath tubes. Okay, phloem is unlike xylem in that materials can move in both direction in it. Okay, xylem में क्या होता था कि जो वाटर का कंडक्शन होता था वो वर्टिकली होता था, लेकिन phloem में जो है दे कैन मूव इन बोथ डिरेक्शन. ओके, दोनों डिरेक्शन में जो है ये इजीली जो है ये फ्लो कर सकता है. ठीक है, जो भी मटेरियल्स होगा. फ्लोएम जो है हम फ्लोएम का फंक्शन क्या है, इट ट्रांसपोर्ट फूड फ्रॉम लीव्स टू द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट. ओके, what is the function of phloem? The main function of the phloem tubes are it helps in the transport of food from leaves to the other part of the plant. फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस में जो भी फूड प्रोड्यूस होता है, ठीक है, वो फ्लोएम ट्यूब्स के थ्रू जो है वो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में जो है वो जाता है प्लांट का, जिसको कि हम क्या बोलते हैं, ट्रांसलोकेशन. ओके, और जाइलम टिश्यू का काम क्या होता है, इट हेल्प्स इन द कंडक्शन ऑफ वाटर्स एंड मिनरल्स to the different parts of the plant. So these are the difference between xylem tissue and phloem tissue. Except for phloem fibers, phloem cells are living cell. phloem fiber को छोड़ के, ठीक है, जो phloem tissues होते हैं, जो phloem के cells होते हैं, they are living cell. ओके, ये जो है सब living cells होते हैं. So here we have completed our simple permanent tissue and complex tissues, right? In simple permanent tissue we have studied about parenchyma, in which we have studied about chlorenchyma and arenchyma, and another simple permanent tissue is our, that is collenchyma and sclerenchyma, and complex tissue is what, xylem and phloem. Okay, in xylem we have studied about the xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers, okay, xylem vessels and tracheates. In phloem we have studied about the phloem seed tubes, okay, and campion cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. Except the phloem fibers, all the cells are living cells. Okay, so what is the main difference between the xylem and phloem? Xylem helps in the conduction of waters and minerals to the different part of the plant, whereas the phloem helps in the transport of food that is produced by the photosynthesis process in leaves to the different part of the plant. जो भी leaves में food produce होता है वो जो है phloem tissue के द्वारा जो है वो प्लांट्स के जो है सभी पार्ट्स में पहुंचते हैं, जिसको कि हम क्या बोलते हैं, ट्रांसलोकेशन. ओके, so here we have successfully completed our simple permanent tissue. In my next video we are going to start about our animal tissues. Okay, so in our next live class we are also going to study about complex tissue and then after the animal tissue. Okay, thank you, bye everyone.